Is it only me who thinks Mr. Beast nearly remained from crying in the I opened 1000 mystery boxes stream? While most of you know it, there are still some people who are not aware of the drama. So, let's start without any other delay. So, it was all simple at the start. Jimmy started a YouTube channel with his best friend, Chris. Many staff members came and were gone, but their friendship had no effect. Before March 2022, Chris was just a funny cool guy everybody loved. He also was married in 2018 and had a kid named Tucker. But, after March 2022 things started to change, and Chris started to show more and more of his feminism. He also uploaded a picture of his nails painted black and blue. Many fans also started to notice that his facial features had changed exponentially. He also uploaded a post in which he talked about his change in facial structure. His appearance in Beast Reacts videos also changed.